In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload fonts in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a custom font into your design and start using it right away. First, open Canva and launch any template or an existing design. It doesn't matter which one. The goal is simply to get into the editor so you can access the text tools. Once you're in the editor, open the text panel. In the text options, look for the Edit area where you can manage fonts. Then choose Manage Uploaded Fonts. Note that custom font uploads are available if you have access to Canva's brand kit, which is included with certain plans. If you don't see this option, double-check your plan or brand kit permissions. Now, open another browser tab and search for a font website such as DaFont. Browse and pick a font style you like. Before downloading, review the license to make sure you're allowed to use it for your intended purpose, especially if it's for commercial work. Download the font file to your computer. Most sites provide .tf or .otf files, often inside a zipped folder. If it's zipped, extract it so you have the actual font file ready. Head back to Canva's Manage Uploaded Fonts and click Add New. Select the .tf or .otf file you just downloaded. Canva may ask you to confirm that you have the right to use the font. Accept the prompt if it applies, and allow the upload to finish. If the font includes multiple styles like regular, bold, or italic, upload each file so they all appear in Canva. To test the font, add text to your design by choosing Add a Heading. Type any word or phrase. Open the font drop-down, scroll to the Uploaded or Brand Font section, and find the name of the font you just added. Select it to apply the new style to your text. From here, customize the look. Resize the text using the Size menu or by dragging a corner handle until it fits your layout. Change the color to match your brand or design palette using the color picker. Reposition the text by clicking and dragging it into place. For a polished result, you can also adjust alignment, letter spacing, and line height from the toolbar. If the new font doesn't appear immediately, give the page a moment to update or refresh the browser. That's it. Your custom font is now ready to use across your Canva designs.